Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video, and welcome to the channel as well. If you're new, we're going to be doing a full video right here on Dogecoin again. If you're new to the channel, I try to make a video on Dogecoin at least 2 times a week, so I can keep everybody updated on what's going on with Dogecoin, both fundamentally and technically. So if you're also interested in updates like that, which we're most likely correct. I mean, we've predicted some of the biggest moves on Dogecoin this year as well. So very happy about that. I also trade Dogecoin quite a lot. So I keep an eye on it quite a bit, right? So I'm quite updated on what's going on. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. But that's too much yapping. Now let's get actually into the video. Dogecoin has been incredibly stable still, all right? So the last time we covered Dogecoin was on Tuesday or Wednesday last week when we hit this main support level. Our main support level, if you don't know, is at 21.3 cents, so 0.213. When we have the 90-day rolling VWAP, we have the value area low, we have the 200 EMA slightly below that. And earlier this week, we also had the point of control of the move we had last week, Friday, not the week before. So everything is good. We got a good reaction there. I would have preferred a little bit of a stronger bounce. You can see right here, we bounced into the fair value gap we left, which is fine. We broke above the point of control briefly, and then we dropped back down into the same support level, which has also held up. And one of the interesting things about Dogecoin, I don't think is its momentum or fundamentals. Fundamentally at this point of time, there is not a lot going on with Dogecoin, all right? We had the America party at some point of time, you know, potentially pushing some momentum, but that has been discarded, at least for now. That has been postponed. So nothing is coming out of that. The Dogecoin ETF, I don't think that's fully priced in. So at some point of time, I do think that's going to provide some momentum as well. But that's, I mean, who knows when that's in the pipeline? I think the probability of a Dogecoin ETF. If I will be able, can I just check it out, please? If we look up a Dogecoin ETF and the probability in 2025, there's a 79% chance. I would say that's a little bit lower. A lot of these ETFs are getting postponed again, and Dogecoin, I don't think it's going to be one of the first ETFs to be approved. Let's keep it at that. Although technically it should have been, right? Because you know it's very Dogecoin's technology is very similar to Bitcoin. But okay, so nothing out of that. But what we do see is quite a lot of relative strength of Dogecoin against Bitcoin. You can see that right here. All right, if you zoom out all the way to the 3-day time frame, it looks like, or at least so far it has looked like, that since July, Doge BTC, so the relative strength of Dogecoin against Bitcoin, has started to bottom out. And we have this major resistance level, which I will make a little bit clearer for all of you right here. Major resistance level right here, which we are bouncing up against. But at the same point of time on the daily time frame, we're also respecting the uptrend. So, you know, we might not break out of this right now, all right? And if we get some bad news, we can still drop down lower. But ultimately, it looks like Dogecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin in the relatively short term, call it medium term. All right, so therefore, when we take a look at the Dogecoin chart, like I said, short term, so when we're talking about the next week, 2 weeks maybe, I expect stability. I don't see any reason for Dogecoin to have a lot of momentum right now. We have some major news again next week. We could spike down. It's a possibility. But after that, and in general, I do expect the range that we are in right now to hold. And I do expect us to get that bullish momentum at least into 24.5 and 25 cents at some point of time afterwards. So I will try my best to keep you updated on when that move is actually coming. And also when the probability of some sort of a spike down and some sort of a move down becomes higher. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, that's it. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.